Are you having any kinds of problem on the Arcade CD application, like your driver not showing up? Well, there are some things that you need to consider if your Arcade CD driver is not showing up. First, you need to make sure that the fault is not by your end. You need to make sure that your Wi-Fi or location is all time on and you're receiving calls if the driver is calling. After that, if the driver doesn't pick up your calls, after that, what you can make sure is that the driver is available as well. You want to contact the driver through their informations at their profile, and if that doesn't work out either, you want to complain, you want to troubleshoot your problem on the official. On your browser, you want to search for the Arcade CD website, and here on the website you want to scroll down all the way, and here you'll see an contact us option. You'll see an email over here and a phone number over here as well. If you want to troubleshoot your problem through your email or your phone number, you can do that over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.